The Clarendon police say they have not yet identified the suspects behind last night's shooting in Darlow district in Mocho. 6 people were shot too fatally when armed men sprayed bullets on persons at a shop sometime after 10 o'clock. Reports are that several persons were gambling when men traveling in a white Toyota Probox motorcar came out and opened fire. 37-year-old Erwin Wright, otherwise called Joe, and construction worker 24-year-old Jason Lewin, both of Darlow district, died. The other victims who were badly injured have been hospitalized in serious condition. Investigators suspect Mr. Wright was the target of the attack. But head of the Clarendon Police Division, Superintendent Carlos Russell, told our news center no motive has been established. Mocho has been on the police's radar following recent shootings, robberies and motor vehicle thefts. Member of Parliament for North Central Clarendon, Robert Morgan, condemned the incident.
We don't have a lot of murders in my constituency, on average we go between 6 and 8 for the year. But there are challenges in the parish, and I know that the government is trying to equip the police force, trying to bring in more officers, trying to do better investigations. So I know the police are trying, but the police can't be everywhere all the time. So I guess the community now has to start taking a more serious look at the people who may be coming through the community. And if they see any suspicious persons, they need to report it and call for help, because we can't keep losing our young men to these criminals.